Yeah, you can wave it. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby. Oh,
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back with another DIY to share with you all. I have an accent table or an end table or a display table, whichever way it can be used. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and at the end, give me a thumbs up. Press that like button. Alright everyone, these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY, and everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what I use and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, I'm going to start with this 5x7 picture frame, and we're just going to take out the back and the insides. We're just going to use the the glass with the frame. So I'm just going to add some E6000 and some hot glue and glue back down the glass to the frame. And I let the frame dry for about 20 minutes before I started working on them. So we're going to be adding the gemstones, and they are a little heavy, so I made sure that the glass was well secure to the frame before I started gluing on them. And now we'll be using these clear gemstones from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to hot glue them to the glass. And you could also use E6000 or any kind of adhesive to hold these down. I'm just using glue for this purpose, hot glue. And I will be doing 8 picture frames with this pattern. And now we have another picture frame, and I have this mirror here from the Dollar Tree. They're new, smaller mirrors. I'll be gluing it to the center of the glass. And now we're going to be adding some gemstones going around the mirror. And I'll be doing 4 of the frames with the mirror in the middle and the gemstones. And the other 8 was the other pattern that we did earlier, with just all gemstones everywhere. Alright everyone, I started with the E6000 and some hot glue to glue these frames together, but what I didn't realize when I was purchasing the frames is that they are too thin at the sides to be joined, but I was trying anyways to get them to be joined, and as you see here, the struggle is real because they would glue and then they're gonna fall apart. Okay, as you see here, the frame is thin. There's no frame going on the inside, which it should be a little thicker part, but I just realized not all frames come with that. So I have this hanger here, and I cut the bottom piece into strips measuring the picture frame, and I'll be gluing these down to give me extra support to make our box. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and attach the strips to 2 of our frames on both sides to make our square box. So when looking for frames to use to make square boxes, you have to make sure the sides are thick, which I always buy the frames with thick sides. I never bought one before with a slim side, but now I know, so I will be looking out for it from now on. And I've made lots of square boxes and never had this trouble, but now I know. And now we're just going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and start making our square box. Which now it has the support because the frames are, there's a frame now for it to stick together. And there we go. Perfect now. So now we're just going to add all the sides together and make our square box like I said. And now we have our 8x10 picture frame, and again I'll be taking out the back and gluing down our glass with some E6000 and some hot glue. And you see this frame, you guys, even this frame is thick. The other ones I bought, they are so thin and I didn't realize that. And now we're just gonna add our bling wrap going all the way around the top part of the top. This is gonna be the top of our table. Yeah, so just gonna bling out the top of our table. And here's our finished look. I think it's a lovely accent table, or like I said at the beginning, it can be used as an end table, side table, whatever you choose to use it to display something lovely throughout your home. And I think it looks all glam and nice. And for a minute there, I thought I was doomed when the frames couldn't stick together. But where there's a will, there's a way. And I used the hangers to give it a little extra support, and it worked out beautifully, as you can see. I think it looks super nice. It looks really cute. Oh, and it's very nice to put any items that you like I said, throughout your home. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of this accent / end table that I created just using cheap items from the dollar store. Leave me a comment below. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. I really appreciate you guys for showing me all the love and support. And like I said, I appreciate you guys more than you will know. Alright everyone. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye.